Good Monday evening, everyone, and welcome back. It's a foggy view from our Coronado Skycam, looking now off to the west, where normally right here you can make out Sanford Hospital. You can maybe see a little bit of the lights, but fog continues to settle in and lower that visibility. 7 degrees right now here in Fargo, humidity at 92%, plenty of moisture in the atmosphere to work with to create some of that fog. Now dealing with some nice, calm winds. Meanwhile, in Grand Forks, it's 4 degrees. Wind is out of the southeast at only 3 miles per hour. Temperatures region-wide, many of us have now fallen into those single digits. A pinch warmer down to the south. We're at 10 in Fergus Falls, Wadena, 15 in Alexandria, 11 in Sisseton, 14 up in Baudette. Meanwhile, right at 0 at this time in Langdon, 1 degree in Oaks. Visibility will continue to be an issue for some of us as patchy fog is developing and will likely linger into the Tuesday morning commute. The one area I'm watching right now is Bemidji and just south. That's where visibility is at a 1/4 mile. Meanwhile, visibility still at 3 miles here in Fargo, 4 miles in Oaks, 5 miles in Aberdeen. But you see this darker gray here in southeastern North Dakota. That's where we have some pockets of a little bit more dense fog as well. Satellite and radar not showing a whole lot across the viewing area, but just down to the south is where we've been watching that winter storm. Some areas like Omaha, Nebraska have been impacted with a couple rounds of heavy rain today, a little bit of wintry mix as well. Sioux Falls earlier today started with some wintry mix and has transitioned to a couple bands of heavier snow through this afternoon and into the evening. That stretches just to the south of Minneapolis all the way out into Green Bay and then right along the South Dakota-Nebraska state line and points down to the south. The main low pressure still kind of making its way out of the Rocky Mountains now and will continue to impact the upper Midwest. I've been saying it earlier, but it's because of this high pressure system right here that we are a lot drier here in the Red River Valley. This high pressure acting kind of like a block, helping to push that low pressure system and keep it south and east. There's another little area of high pressure right in the center of Minnesota as well, keeping this little area of snow from moving further to the north. Here's what you can expect in your hour-by-hour forecast tonight. Areas of fog will continue to develop and kind of linger through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. Now, the fog will likely not be this widespread or this dense, but patchy fog can develop anywhere across the Red River Valley. So that's what we'll be contending with right away when we wake up. Areas of fog and some frost as well, as temperatures will be in the single digits. We'll gradually see that fog burn off as we head towards the lunchtime hour. Temperatures warming into the low teens, and here comes that area of snow. The high pressure, again, keeping it from moving further north, but areas like Wadena, down to Fergus Falls, Hankinson, Sisseton, that's where the best potential is to see a little bit of snow through the afternoon tomorrow and perhaps a couple of inches of accumulation, but most of it still going to miss us well to the south. We're starting off our day tomorrow with some lingering patchy fog, temperatures in the single digits, and we warm to the teens, but it's looking mostly cloudy. And even though we'll be warming into the teens, we will have quite a gusty northerly breeze, and that will add to a wind chill factor as well. Likely going to see a few more photos like this coming into our website. Frosty morning. This is Rainy River near Baudette, Minnesota. That is freezing fog on some beautiful surfaces. What a sight to see. And what a sight to see your 7-day forecast, how quiet and calm it is after just a little bit of snow south and east tomorrow.
Looks great. Thanks, Summer.
Yeah.
We'll recap a roller coaster year on